Hello, it's Andrew from Webbers and we're in a delightful location, Abbots Hendra, tucked away down the end of a long track with beautiful views. And this behind me is a 4-bedroom roundhouse barn with an exceptional garden, carport, offering very spacious accommodation. So let's go and have a look at what it's got to offer. Information on this superb home, then please contact Webbers now on 01566 77 6211. Thank you.